In this video, I would like to introduce how SmartShape brings the digital twin to smartphones and tablets. SmartShape is the connected, programmable and collaborative digital twin platform for Industry 4.0. SmartShape is a digital twin collaborative platform shared between the contractors on the assembly line, the design office and all the other stakeholders of your choice. Open the SmartShape app on your laptop, select the model, the object, or the annotation you want to take away. Then simply scan the QR code using your tablet or your smartphone. And voila! Your smart digital twin now fits in your pocket and come with you anywhere you go. SmartShape is the single source of truth that combines all the data in a single place, including trade-specific systems or configurations. The 3D model, the design, build, operational and maintenance data are available on your smartphone or tablet just as if you were at the office. The SmartShape Universal app empowers mobile users with the exact same features and experience as office workers. Editing attributes. Adding annotations or configuring the 3D model, every action of every user is synced in real time between all devices. Even better, the upstream data sources can also be updated, so SmartShape is the single source of truth. SmartShape connects your CAD models to intranets, ERP, and other mission-critical data sources. It can run on-premise or in a cloud. Your digital twins are available from everywhere and to everyone from a single place. And that place is SmartShape.